Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is about principal or agent when we talk about revenue recognition. So, is the seller a principal or agent? And it has tons of implications. So, first of all, what is this problem? We have 5 steps to recognizing revenue. This an issue of the third one, the transaction price. So that is our issue here. Why? Because what is the difference between principal and agent? Principal, the performance obligation is to provide goods and service. So it's vulnerable to risk associated with holding inventory, just like a regular company. On the other hand, the agent is only to facilitate a transaction between a principal and a customer. For instance, if you go on Amazon, there are some products that are sold by Amazon. That means Amazon is the principal. Or sold by Skype Corporation. And then Amazon is there only to facilitate a transaction between a principal and a customer. If we think about football or soccer in the US, it's just like the midfield, as we say in Brazil. It is the transaction between offense and or defense and offense. We have the midfield, that is the agent, where we have the number 10 and all of the amazing players that we are used to watch. And what is the difference on the recording revenue? If you are a principal, you record total sales price paid by customers and recognize the cost of goods sold. Agent only the commission it receives on the transaction. This is a merchandise company or manufacturing company. This is a service company. So when Amazon is the agent, it looks like a service company. Only the facilitation of this transaction. So only the commission is recorded. So let's check on Excel. Where is our Excel here? And by the way, this Excel file is free and the link to download it is in our video description. So what do we have? Janie Doe buys a TV from an online retailer for $1,550. And let's consider accounting for that sale by 2 retailers, Scarpin Principal Company and Santiago Agent Company. So Scarpin Principal Company purchased TVs directly from the manufacturer for $1,220, has the TVs shipped to its distribution center in Fargo, Fargo, North Dakota, US, where I am located on the Fargo area, and then ships individual TVs to buyer when a sale is made. So Scarpin is the principal here and also offers occasional price discount according to its marketing strategy. So Scarpin Principal Company is vulnerable to risk associated with holding inventory because Scarpin purchased from the manufacturer, hold it on the distribution center, and then ships it to their customers. On the other hand, Santiago Agent Company serves as a web portal by which multiple TVs manufacturers can offer their products for sale. The manufacturers ship directly to buyers when a sale is made. So it doesn't go through Santiago. They are only facilitating the transaction. They are the midfielders, connecting defense and offense. And Santiago Agent Company receives a 5% commission on each sale that occurs via its web portal. So how do we record it? Scarpin Principal, they purchase it for $1,220. So this is the cost of goods sold. They sell it for $1,550. Is a revenue. So a gross profit of $330. On the other hand, Santiago receives 5% commission. So 1,550 times 5%, $78. no cost of goods sold. So here, guys, it is the difference. And let's think about tax, sales tax. Scarpe in principle pays sales tax on the 1,550. Santiago pays based on 78. And then about income tax or any other tax or value added tax if you are in Europe or any other country that works with value added tax. That is most of the countries, but the US that works with sales tax. So any tax that goes on revenue, it is affected. So income tax and also dividends and all stuff that is related to the income statement. So principal, revenue, and cost of goods sold. Agent only revenue, and the revenue is the service. Okay, guys, easy, huh? Easy, but not that easy. So, guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.